this is how much we want, but because of possibility of messing some of our welds up. All right, so now we're on the way. So what has to happen here is that we have to, they call it scarf. You see how crooked that is there?
Mm-hmm.
When I snipped it kind of messed it up. That's why I've added a little bit. And so we scarf this. I should put my glasses on. I feel bad about it. Knew where they were.
Right there.
Then I can see better, you know.
Yeah.
I've gotten into. I'm gonna just take a little bit off there, but then the most of it I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold this at an angle and make a point on there. You see I was right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so see how that's scarfed over?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we gotta make sure, of course, that the teeth point the right direction. So we have to know which end this goes on over here. Because if you see how the teeth are both pointing away from us?
Yeah.
Okay, so then this will be the end I grind next. Now, when you look at that, you can see, whoops, you can see that I need to grind to the top of this side, see?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I hope I did that right. And then I try to hold it about in the same spot I had it. And that was over about here and about this high. Joe was a contractor all his life.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And built houses and all that kind of stuff. All right. Now, doing good. So we have to use silver solder 45.
Okay.
45. They've got and this is really a softer, it's probably not as strong, I'm not sure, but it is more flexible. And
Okay.
that's kind of important.
After it's hard?
Yeah.
Okay.
And when you get going, I will let you take this jig back, but not today, because you'll have enough blades by the time we're done for quite a while. So then, what I do is take the side I ground, one of them,
Okay.
put it up against that in the middle, and then put that down there. Well, that didn't work out so good like I thought it should.
Blades are too small.
Yeah, I've never welded something this small. And those are kind of adjustable.
Mm-hmm.
And
For
then,
thickness.
must be the or was it the one that's up there? I bet you that's the deal. It's the one
Not
that's
easy.
up- Yeah, there it is right there. So then this one will go on here. And because we're not going up against that back business,
On the jig.
on the jig. We have to eyeball it. And we have to look down.
Pretty close. From this way.
Yeah, it's not too bad. And then we check to see, this is a little proud here. I wouldn't mind if it, oh man, I'm going to loosen that up a little bit. See that?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to leave a teeny bit gap in there
Okay.
this time, but
Not normally if you can help it.
oh, I like it. I know, I like a little gap.
Okay.
The silver solder goes in there. Okay. So far I'm happy.
Okay.
Got rid of it there. And then you got to put a little bit of flux on, which is, it's just a, it kind of cleans the process up a little bit.
Just the one side's enough.
Well, it
It'll go.
kind of, so, and then anytime you solder or do any of those kind of things, I'd like a chair. My big chair. Whenever you're soldering and that kind of thing, if you heat on the other side of where you're soldering, then the solder flows towards. That works with
Okay.
with your guns too. Oh. Okay. Somewhere there's one around here.
There's a little bit left in this one.
Okay, I might as well use it, I guess. Getting so close. We'll try it.
Okay. So you heat from the underside.
Well,
And then you put the solder on this side
Yeah.
and it should suck it in.
yeah, I hope I can see my craft. Ooh. And that'll be at a. I can't.
Too hot.
Yeah, but maybe if you get me a pliers, I would do it. Needle nose, maybe. Yeah, right, that's the drawer.
Something with a rubber handle so you don't feel the heat so fast.
Oh, that I won't feel it now. I got this. And that has to come up to kind of a reddish color before it would flow. See, it still isn't quite hot enough. When it gets hot enough,
There it goes.
and then you just make sure it's,
It flows good.
yeah, make sure it'll suck towards my heat. But there, that's good. Oops. It starts a fire again, I'm in trouble. Okay. Oh, that one wasn't even that tight. And you see the other side, it's sucked over there. And then, you know, a lot of times what I'll do is just go like that to just make sure it isn't brittle.
Right.
From,
Because it would snap if it was brittle.
yeah.
More than likely.
I'll do the next one and then